Treat money like a game plan. What if you treated your money like a winning game plan instead of just something to spend? Every dollar you earn could be a move toward victory in your life. Today, we'll explore how to master your finances like a strategy game, from budgeting to investing, so your money works for you. 1. Know the rules of the game. Every game has rules, and money is no different. To win, you must understand the basics: income, expenses, savings, and investments. Track your paycheck, know your bills, and calculate how much you can save. When you understand the rules, you avoid mistakes and play smarter. Just like learning the rules of chess before a match, mastering money requires preparation. 2. Set clear goals, your winning strategy. In any game, you can't win without a target, and money works the same way. Hey, do you want to buy a house, retire early, or travel the world? Start by defining short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. Short-term could be saving for emergencies, medium-term for big purchases, and long-term for retirement or financial freedom. Break each goal into actionable steps, like saving $500 a month or investing consistently in an index fund. Clear goals turn random spending into intentional moves, giving your money purpose and guiding every decision toward victory. 3. Pay yourself first. Imagine starting a game and forgetting your main resource. That's what happens if you spend before saving. Treat your savings and investments as a top priority. Pay yourself first. Even 10% of your paycheck automatically invested or saved compounds over time. This move sets you up for long-term wins, while others are stuck playing catch-up. 4. Build your safety net, emergency fund. Every player needs protection. An emergency fund is your shield in the game of life. Unexpected expenses, medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss can knock you off track. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield account. With a safety net, you can play boldly without fear of losing the game when life throws a curveball. 5. Know your power-ups. Employer benefits. Most games have hidden bonuses, and your paycheck does too. Employer benefits like 401k matches, health savings accounts, or stock options are free power-ups. Use them. Contribute enough to get the full match, and let these perks multiply your resources. Many people ignore these, leaving a huge advantage on the table. 6. Automate your moves. Automatic savings and investments. In strategy games, automation can save time and prevent mistakes. Automate savings and investments to make your money move efficiently. Out of sight, out of mind, yet growing steadily. Even small amounts consistently invested can snowball into significant wealth over the years. The game favors players who think ahead. 7. Attack high-interest debt. First, every game has obstacles, and debt is one of the toughest. Credit card debt and high-interest loans drain your resources. Focus on eliminating these first. Each dollar you free from debt becomes a resource you can invest for long-term gains. Treat it like removing a barrier in a level. Once it's gone, your path to victory becomes clear. 8. Invest strategically. Low-cost index funds. Once you've managed your debts and built a safety net, it's time to invest. But don't just throw money at random opportunities. Think like a skilled player planning moves several steps ahead. Low-cost index funds are one of the smartest tools you can use. They spread your money across hundreds of companies, reducing risk while giving you steady growth over time. Investing even a few $100s a month may seem small, but thanks to the power of compounding, it can grow into a substantial sum over the years. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. Small actions taken consistently today can grow into a forest tomorrow. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, giving you an advantage that's hard to catch up with. The key is patience and long-term thinking. Wealth building isn't about chasing quick wins or market hype. It's about consistent, disciplined moves. By investing strategically and regularly, you set yourself up for financial victories that accumulate over years, not months. Smart players don't look for shortcuts. They play the long game. Every dollar invested now is a move that strengthens your future, making your financial game nearly unstoppable. 9. Upgrade yourself. Skills as assets. The most powerful resource in the game is you. Use part of your paycheck to learn new skills, earn certifications, or attend workshops. This is strategic investing. A single skill can boost income by thousands annually, a return far greater than most investments. Your growth mindset becomes your ultimate game advantage. 10. Track every move. Budget like a pro. A winning player never guesses. They track every move. Track your spending, categorize expenses, and review your budget monthly. Ask, can I save more? Can I invest smarter? This habit ensures every paycheck works toward your goals. Small, consistent adjustments compound into massive long-term advantage. 11. Diversify your income. Multiple moves, multiple wins. Top players in any game don't rely on a single move or a single strategy, and neither should you rely solely on your paycheck. Depending entirely on one source of income is risky. Unexpected events like job loss, pay cuts, or economic changes can throw your financial plans off course. That's why diversifying your income is one of the smartest strategies you can adopt. Think of side hustles, freelance work, or online businesses as extra power-ups in your financial game. Each one provides additional resources, reduces risk, and accelerates your path to financial freedom. Even small streams of income, like selling digital products, tutoring online, or offering freelance services, can add up significantly over time. The key is consistency and planning. Treat these income streams like strategic moves. Some may take time to grow, some may be easier to manage, but together they create a strong, unstoppable financial system. Multiple sources of income give you freedom. The freedom to invest more, save more, and take calculated risks that grow your wealth faster. By diversifying your earnings, you not only protect yourself from setbacks, but you also open up opportunities to win bigger. In the game of money, multiple moves make you nearly unbeatable. 12. Plan for the end game. Long-term vision. And in every strategy game, the best players think several moves ahead. Wealth is no different. Avoid impulsive spending and focus on long-term rewards. Picture your future, debt-free, financially secure, and able to live on your terms. Let this vision guide how you use every paycheck and make every move count toward victory. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates.